Where is all my money? Oh, wait. I made these mistakes. Let's make sure you don't repeat them. Most of us are making some sneaky little money mistakes without even realizing it. Today, I'm going to talk about 5 common money mistakes that are holding you back and how you can avoid them like a pro. Stick around because this might just change the way you handle your money forever. Plus, if you make it to the end, I've got a bonus tip that will make your future self very proud. First up, not having a budget. If you don't have a plan for your money has plans for you. And those plans usually involve snacks, subscriptions you don't use, and random gadgets you bought online at 2 a.m. Here's the thing, budgeting doesn't mean saying no to everything. It just means telling your money where to go before it decides to vanish. You may use apps like Mint or YNAB to keep track of your income, expenses, and your saving goals. Think of it like assigning jobs to your dollars. Rent, check. Savings, check. Netflix, yeah, we'll allow it. Next up, the sneaky spending trap. We've all heard someone say, it's just $5. What's the big deal? Well, when you say that 100 times a month, it becomes a big deal. Here's the solution. Track your micro spending. It's fine to treat yourself. Balance is the key. Don't let those tiny expenses add up to the price of a vacation. Instead of impulse buying, try the 24-hour rule. The 24-hour rule means you wait 24 hours before making any non-essential purchase. This gives your brain time to cool off and make a more rational decision. If you still want it after the day, then okay, maybe it's meant to be. But if you forget about it, congratulations. You just saved yourself from being a proud owner of something that you can't even remember buying. Life loves surprises. A broken car, a medical bill, your cat knocking your laptop off the table. Again? If you don't have an emergency fund, these little hiccups turn into full-blown disasters. And no, credit cards are not your backup plan. They are more like adding fuel to the fire. Here's the deal. Start with a small goal, like saving $1,000 for emergencies. Then build it up to 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Put this money somewhere safe but accessible, like your high-yield savings account. When life throws you a surprise, you'll be prepared. Credit cards. They are a blessing and a curse. They are convenient, they give you points, but if you're not careful, they will also trap you in debt faster than you can say minimum payment. Credit cards are like a double-edged sword. They can be a great asset if used responsibly, but they can quickly turn against you if you lose control. Here's the trick. Always pay off the full balance every month. If you can't, that's a red flag. You're spending more than you can afford. If you're struggling to tackle existing debt, start with the snowball method. Pay off the small debts first to gain momentum, then work your way up. Watching that debt disappear feels amazing. Here's the biggest mistake of them all. Waiting too long to invest. I get it. Investing sounds intimidating. But the truth is, time is your best friend when it comes to building wealth. The sooner you start, the more your money grows thanks to compound interest. If you start early, even small amounts can build up into a big pile of cash. Start with index funds or ETFs. They are simple, low cost, and historically reliable. Think of investing like planting a tree. The sooner you plant it, the bigger it grows. Don't let your future self regret not starting today. If you want to learn more about compound interest and how to invest to make the most of it, check out my video where I explain it in detail. The link is in the description. Before we wrap up, here is a bonus mistake: not setting financial goals. Without goals, money just comes in and goes out. But when you set clear goals like buying a house, retiring early, or starting a business, you give your money a purpose. Write them down, break them into steps, and celebrate progress. It's like giving your money a roadmap. Managing your money doesn't mean living like a monk. It's about being smart, avoiding traps, and planning for the future you want. Make your money work for you, not against you. What's the biggest money mistake you have made? Drop it in the comments below and let's learn from each other. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tips. Until next time, keep your goals big and your money even smarter.